lost my way. When we thought that the world has peace and love, but we thought wrong. The world is divided into two parts, good and bad, but we don't know which side to choose because every side has a good temptation. The world can influence you to do wrong things, but we can do better. There are people who can judge you for doing good things. Even some of your friends won't want you to succeed in life. They want to destroy you or see you suffer in life. In life, we always want to impress our friends and the society, no matter how hard you try, but they won't notice how much you try. The more you try to impress others, the less you lose faith in yourself. Life doesn't work like that. Life wants you to solve your problems, not running away from them. We all thought that the life is good and fun, but when time goes by, you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised. The world has many ways to show you how much we must appreciate what we have. There are some who don't want to appreciate what they have. They want lavish life than what they have right now. Everyone has their own flaws or mistakes in life, but we all know that we can do better. Even God says, good things take time. We must appreciate what we have because we don't know what the future has for us. Let's all make our life better. We are stronger together. Thank you.